He puts the splish in splash. It's the commish. What's up, guys? I'm in my Dark Lord garb, otherwise known as Winter garb, here at the Stronghold. Hope you're all doing well. Let's just dive right in to recap last week's games. So here we go. Splash's Purple Penis Eaters, my squad, defeats Dwayne's Definitive Team 130.06 to 98.36. Next up, we've got Reluctantly Jerking Goff defeating Alex's Awe-Inspiring Team 166.58 to 148.48. Next, Galpinner Bush, the closest matchup we've had all season, defeats Bad Dudes with Attitude 84.16 to 83.66. Next up, you can see I have a cue card here, folks. We've got Mahomie Below Me taking out Dick Buckus Fantasy Hour 165.56 to 138.42. Next up, the Dad Avenger continues his undefeated streak 152.78, defeating Yee's questionable team 93.6. The awards for this week, we have our Juggernaut Reluctantly Jerking Goff with 166.58. Our special little guy of the week goes to Bad Dudes with Attitude for his 83.66 performance. A new award I have, the tightest slit, or the tightest slot. I was trying to make an innuendo here, folks, but the tightest margin of victory goes to Tim by half a point, defeating Bad Dudes with Attitude there. Next up, the MVP of the week goes to TJ Blockinson on Reluctantly Jerking Goff, getting 39.9 points. And lastly, for the awards for the week, we have the Big Dick Kicker, which goes to Greg Joseph for his 18-point burger. Moving on, we've got this week's matchups. We'll start off, and I'll just say, we're going to do a twofer here. Twofer for our featured matchups. Keep both your eyes peeled on both these games. First up, we've got Yee's questionable team taking on Alex's awe-inspiring team. Alex's awe-inspiring team has the slight edge in projection, 125.3 to Yee's 124.47. Why is this one of our featured games of the week? Because it's a get-right game for both gentlemen. I know that my dad's squad is winless, but he will get right. We know that at a certain point. But these guys need this game. Specifically, this game right here matters. And then our next featured matchup of the week goes to the big boys, the big dogs we've got here. And that goes to, oh man, did I not even write down the last game? I'm sorry, guys. No. Oh yes, here we go. Dad Avenger. I'm so sorry, folks. Bear with me. A little longer video than usual. Taking on Galpinner Bush. And this is a 3-1 guy taking on an undefeated guy. This is a case of who's got the real juice and who doesn't. Right now, it looks like Dad Avenger has a slight edge in projection with 126.95 to Galpinner Bush's 125.73. Quickly through the rest of these matchups here. Splash's Purple Penis Eaters takes on Bad Dudes with Attitude. He wins the projections 123.6 to 114.03. Next up, we've got Dick Buckus Fantasy Hour taking on Reluctantly Jerking Goff. Dick Butkus got a decent lead in projection, 144.09 to 127.26. And lastly, Mahomey Baloney has a large lead in projection, taking on Dwayne's definitive team, 130.66 to 105.5. So thank you folks for tuning in and watching these ridiculous videos. I'll catch you later.